These units are made in the USA and they are backed by a very good guarantee, but they are only available through their limited dealer network in the USA and Canada. The units feature all aluminum coil construction which resist corrosion, and electric heat kits are available in capacities from 3 to 25 kW. The MBVC models are modular air handlers that have variable speed blowers and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The ARUF models are multi-position air handlers with fixed speed blowers and check flow raters for refrigerant controls, which are used on the less efficient systems. The ASPT models have a TXV for refrigerant control with a fixed speed blower motor, while the DVPTC models have variable speed blowers with communicating ability. The AMVE models are their most efficient as they have variable speed blowers, communicating ability, and state-of-the-art electronic expansion valves for refrigerant control.